is a new product that we're putting out, and for what I see, has a great potential. The concept for this unit is that came out of me surveying and going out on the ramps of the airports of the United States, larger airports in the United States. Most of the airlines, no matter how big they are, they were suffering from effects of not having or not being prepared with a unit that could quickly give them a solution to their maintenance. I said, why not prepare something that can help them out and give them a solution. The unit it's comprised of a generator that provides power for the electrical tools and lights and moving the compressor. Both of the units can be tailored or configured to the customer's needs. If they need a larger generator, we can install one same as the compressor. On the other hand, the unit has a pop-up doors that can provide shade to the mechanics, to the operators, so that they don't operate out on when they operate in the field, they're not affected by the sun or the heat. Also, you've got some trays here that can be used to store items such as tools, components, oils, and any needs they may have in the field. This will be very helpful for them. They can bring with them all the tools and all the necessary maintenance part and get the equipment rolling. The back is designed for it's a workstation for mechanics, where they have their tools and they can do whatever manual things that they may need. This unit will be used to run your electrical equipment and provide you power to other needs that you may have. As for example, if you can run power out of this generator, out of this line, 25 feet away. So you have power readily available outside in an area where there's none. We don't design it as a manufacturer for ground equipment. I designed it for the ground handlers. Our equipment is well known throughout the industry to be of good quality and very well designed. By being in Miami Gardens, Florida, we're able to sell our products throughout the Caribbean, South America, and Central America too. There's nothing on the market. The one reason we're being so successful now, they all find that this is something that they need, and this is something that they have needed for a long time, and they hadn't realized it. We also manufacture other equipment. We manufacture baggage carts, we manufacture cargo dollies, container dollies, static racks, and many other components for the airline and baggage and cargo industry. We started our company 13 years ago, so it's 2012. On the other hand, we have been the first company in the United States that introduced the galvanized equipment concept. Galvanizing is a regular product in Europe and other parts of the world, but the United States did not have it. So we were very proud to be the ones who got it in the industry. So we came to this industry to change it, and we have done so.